He had an itch. He had an itch, and now he has a headache. YouTube, you know, it's your boy Clickman. You're tuned into Click React. I don't know if you guys see these gym fail comps, but the funniest ones by far are from Planet Fitness. I don't know what happens over there. I don't know what's in the air, but people just be doing outrageous shit there. So that's what we're going to be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about some of these fails. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. I mean, I can see how you would think it's supposed to be used. Like it is supposed to be used in that exact way, just facing the other way, and you would probably put your knee on that thing, but I don't know. Because realistically, you could still get a tricep workout doing that. And nothing's wrong with that, really, that much. Yeah, man. Planet Fatness, man. It's different over there. You get it. You get it. Yeah. Nunchucks. Ain't that shit illegal? Yeah. 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 Some of these things I'm not gonna be mad at. Like, if you want to get out of the house and do something active, she's still doing something. It might not be full range of motion, but she getting something. And she knitting at the same time? Come on, man. Skills. Unbothered. Yeah. These ones are a little ridiculous.
Stop it.
Honestly,
Get some help.
he's doing this shit right in front of the staff. Nobody said nothing. Wait, what? Okay. Believe it or not, it is working his triceps, just not the best way. This guy with the sound effects, you're a loser. Oh, that wide squatting stance.
This ain't the 135 Brigade, homie. This is 405 Brigade, homie. 405 Brigade, homie.
Don't buckle, bro. Okay. Alright, no reps, no problem.
Better than I hoped.
Yeah, it is better because he didn't get injured. Don't play with him. Wait, what? Okay. Is he hitting his stomach? Oh, okay, I got you. I mean, some people say that works. I don't know. Definitely conditions you for getting hit.
What a fucking legend.
In some strange way, I think it might still be doing something. Boy, you're just a little bit too far down the machine. But other than that, you're doing a great job. This is probably focusing on the upper abs. You ain't getting no type of crunch in that one. This nigga, he's training for the Hunger Games, it seems.
Huh?
This guy's just a wrestler, man. You guys should have just mind your business. He's literally training for wrestling. Nothing's wrong with this. It just looks odd. Yo, they're disrespectful for adding that shit in there. Okay. Pump, pump, pump. Yep. That's all that is. Honestly, I see some people do some weirder stuff than this type of pumping, thrusting action. Bro, the man's just trying to have a burn, bro. Like, why are you guys videotaping him? Y'all are too much. Honestly, the music really matches. Okay.
That I can dodge bullets?
No, Neo. I'm trying to tell you that when you're ready.
Honestly, this looks low-key fun, bro. If I didn't think I'd break the fucking machine, I think I would try that. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. I haven't seen this one before. Again, like, these are real exercises. I just think it's dangerous. Okay. That boy said he practicing for the dance, yeah. Yeah, that's what he's doing. He's smooth with it, too. Believe it or not, that still is working with a part of what he's trying to work with that machine. And even these quarter reps, they do something, you know. Don't let nobody lie to you and tell you that you have to sit on the fucking ground. It's just that it looks funny. And you could be doing the workout more, like, you know, wholesome. and get better benefits. This guy is doing the kick-ups. This exercise, funny enough, although he's not doing full range of motion yet again, there's a little bit of pressure on his delts. It looks like his arms are set to a nice 45-degree angle here, and he is hitting or putting pressure on those rear delts. A little bit more of a lean, though, would be better, but not doing nothing. It's, again, just strange.
No pain, no gain.
His shoulder blades are working overtime here. Maybe that's what he's working on, retraction and stuff like that. I mean, let's be honest. We see people do that shit. Oh. All these things are actually it is still doing something, right? It's just that it looks odd because it's not the real workout we expect it to do. To be, I should say. But not doing nothing. This shit is doing nothing. And one dip in your knee too much, that shit is gonna come caving down on your knees.
Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty.
Is he the fuck? Is that him?
Let's go on. Let's keep going back more. That's better. Tighter.
I hope that's a sound effect in the background. And this is actually still working his abs, believe it or not. Like an assisted, I don't know what the word is. Burning. Burning. Think about playing no games. He got a little rhythm to it too. He's like, honestly, he looks like he's having a workout, man. Get it how you live. Yeah, he do look like he's getting a workout. I can't lie. What can you say? If it looks like it's working and it's burning, what's the problem? This shit is so dangerous. These are not really fails. They're more so like just awkward or looking workouts. This is also doing something. We don't know what he's training for, but shit, it could be to start the lawnmower. You never know. That's a sport. It's a sport. You know what I'm saying? Lawnmower, you gotta start the lawnmower fast and get to it. Get to cutting the grass. That's an actual sport. I'm not even trolling. Again, this is still working his ab, just in a weird way. This is keeping a lot of tension on, if he's doing it right, his triceps, to be honest. No range of motion, but this is still working his biceps, but in a weird way. Very weird. Very weird, fast way. He had an itch. He had an itch. And now he has a headache. I think that's right. Honestly, you don't need your shoulder blades to come off the ground much to get sit-ups in here to work your abs, so just looks fucking weird. Yeah, he practicing to be a worm. You're worm, squirm. Are you gonna change directions though? Cause you just, yeah, sir. He changed directions. Don't kill me. I called it. What sound is that? I hate seeing people do this workout. Just go on the leg press, man. Girls, I see a lot of girls do this workout. So, this, however, I've never really seen. Maybe he's a fighter. Again, believe it or not, although it looks weird as hell, his abs, if he is contracting and focusing, oh fuck, this one I did not expect. I see guys do this shit too. Not sure why you do. What is this? Oh shit.
I broke my back.
Yeah, it does look like that, Mike.
What do you mean by that?
It does
My
look like
back
that.
is broken.
What, a vertebrae or
Well,
what portion?
Spinal.
Yo, I hope it's not a guy filming another man doing this, bro, because that's weird. The man is just doing his thing and you're there videotaping him? That's strange. Okay, again, just a little too high up. But you're onto something here, Gramps. You're onto something. Okay. Nothing is wrong with that. Now, shadow boxing, shadow kickboxing, might it be that it looks weird? Nothing is wrong with that. And if you're fighting your shadow self like this, I think a real person might kick your ass. Man wants to play chess. Well, you guys are playing checkers. Like, simple. Oh, fuck no. You and I feel like he's trying to... Yeah, man. Planet Fitness is... This is where it's at, man. I actually need a membership there. You know, just sometimes, like, you're having a bad day, you see something silly, you laugh. You know what I mean? Oh, shit. I've never seen this variation. But honestly, with some black people, man, genetics are crazy, bro. They'll go in the gym and do the dumbest shit, bro. Injury looking like type of shit, and they'll be jacked as fuck. I don't know how. I think with Asians sometimes too. I mean, he looks pretty cut.